Let's take a look at how to use the reporting dictionary to learn more about data fields in ServiceTitan. The reporting dictionary helps you find the most valuable information to include and understand how each data field works to build better, smarter reports. You can access detailed information about data fields, including descriptions, calculations, examples, and drill-down details, eliminating the need to rely solely on tooltips. The intelligent search function analyzes multiple characteristics like detailed descriptions and calculations to return highly relevant results with confidence scores, even if you don't know the exact name of the metric. Once you find the right data field, you can instantly add it to a report template and build a custom report directly from the search tool, speeding up the reporting process and reducing guesswork. To access the reporting dictionary, click on Reports in the main menu. Then, click on Templates Dictionary. Each data field in the reporting dictionary displays the following information if applicable: the name of the data field, a short summary of the data field, a more detailed description of the data field, including information about how the report filters may affect the data field, how the data field is calculated, an example for the data field, and any drill down information for the data field. If you're unsure which data field you want to use, you can search for it. In the Search Data Fields banner, click Open to open the search tool and search for a data field. In this example, we'll try searching for a data field that includes information about average sale. The search tool lists related data fields based on how confident it is that the result is correct. The higher the confidence level, the more we're confident that this is the data field you need. You can click Learn More in Dictionary to see more details about the data field. Or, if you know it's the right data field, click Create Report to create a new custom report that includes the data field. Now that you know how to use the reporting dictionary to find and understand data fields, please see our other learning resources for more information.